Productivity culture and burnout. Productivity culture is a set of values and beliefs that emphasize productivity and efficiency. It often celebrates the idea of working long hours, hustle culture, and always being busy. While productivity can be a good thing, productivity culture can lead to burnout and illness when it is taken to the extreme. When we are constantly being evaluated by the amount of work we complete, it can be easy to feel like we are never enough. We start to lose sight of our own needs and values, and we may start to define our worth based on the number of products we create. This can lead to a cycle of overwork and exhaustion, as we constantly chase an unattainable ideal. Why productivity culture leads to burnout. There are a few reasons why productivity culture can lead to burnout. First, it can create unrealistic expectations. When we are constantly bombarded with messages about the importance of being productive, it can be easy to start to believe that we should be able to do everything, all the time. This can lead to feelings of guilt and shame when we don't meet these expectations. Second, productivity culture can lead to isolation. When we are focused on getting everything done, we may not have time for the relationships and activities that are important to us. This can lead to feelings of loneliness and disconnection. Third, productivity culture can lead to stress. When we are constantly busy and trying to do too much, it can be easy to feel overwhelmed and stressed. This stress can lead to health problems, both physical and mental. 3 types of burnout and how to overcome them. A 2022 article on Harvard Business Review by Melody Wilding, 3 types of burnout and how to overcome them, analyzes 3 different types of burnout and how to overcome them. Overload burnout. This type of burnout occurs when you work too hard and too quickly in order to achieve success, often at the expense of your health and personal life. This is the most common type of burnout and often occurs with people who are dedicated to their work and feel a sense of obligation to work at an unsustainable pace. How to overcome overload burnout. Develop stronger emotional regulation skills, such as naming and processing your emotions and changing your negative self-talk. Separate your self-worth from your work. Diversify yourself by investing in other areas of your life outside of work. Under-challenged burnout. This type of burnout occurs when you feel bored and unstimulated by your work, leading to a lack of motivation. People who experience under-challenged burnout may feel unappreciated and become frustrated because their role lacks opportunities for learning, development, or meaningful connection with colleagues and leaders. How to overcome under-challenged burnout. Improve your sense of passion by pursuing things you care about. Find your motivation again by dedicating 30 days to developing a new skill. Start small. Maybe you want to spend 20 minutes a day learning a new language. Or maybe you prefer to spend an hour a week learning to code. Pursuing something that you enjoy and find meaningful can help you break out of the doldrums and feel inspired. Even if the skill you choose has nothing to do with your career, your newfound enthusiasm can also spill over into your career, or even motivate you to explore a different field of work. Neglect burnout. The final type of burnout is neglect burnout. This is also known as disengagement burnout, because it can occur when feeling helpless in the face of challenges. Neglect burnout occurs when you are not provided with enough structure, direction, or guidance in the workplace. You may find it difficult to keep up with demands or feel unable to meet expectations. Over time, this can lead to feelings of incompetence, frustration, and uncertainty. How to overcome neglect burnout. Find ways to regain a sense of autonomy in your role. Identify the commitments that you need to say no to, and practice stronger boundary-setting skills. Talk to your boss about your workload. Focus on what you can control. Burnout manifests itself in different ways for different people, so it is important to identify the type of burnout you may be experiencing. You may even be facing a combination of 1 or 2 of these types of burnout at the same time. Identifying your case will help you to more easily find more specific solutions to address specific challenges at hand. In my opinion, living simply or living slow is an effective way to overcome burnout. Both lifestyles can help us to reduce stress and pressure in life. When we live more simply, we will have more time and energy to focus on the things that matter, the things that make us happy. We will also have the opportunity to rest, relax, and restore our